In Uttar Pradesh's Bareilly, police conducted an early morning encounter injuring and arresting Maulana Mohsin Raza, son-in-law of cleric Maulana Tauqeer Raza's brother, and a key aide. Two other accused were nabbed for snatching a police gun during the clash. Overall, 4 suspects have been arrested. Ranveer Singh joins me live from Bareilly. Ranveer, coming to you, bring us the details on this that you know of, this encounter that is taking place at this point earlier in the day. What are the details you have for us?
Bareilly police arrested 2 more accused in the case of riots in Bareilly on 26th of September. These two were searched by Bareilly police because they are accused of snatching gun of SP City's gunner. So Idris and Iqbal, these are the two persons who were searched by Bareilly police, and today Bareilly police tried to arrest them, but both of the accused, they tried to fire on police, and that's why police in a counter fire injured him, and now they are arrested, and 2 more arresting have been done. These are Nafis and his son. Nafis is a very close aide of Maulana Tauqeer Raza, and his son, he also does work for Maulana Tauqeer. So total 4 more accused in the case have been arrested, and the total number of accused arrested is now escalated to 77. And if we talk about 26th September riots in Bareilly, so the total number of arresting is 77, while more than 100 people are still in police custody and they are going through interrogation. More than 200 accused are named in the FIR, while 3,000 plus are those who have taken part in the chaos on 26th of September, and they are included in the FIR, but their names are yet to be written. So the continued efforts, the continued action taken by Bareilly administration is going on. And if we talk about today's encounter, Iqbal and Idris, both of them, they snatched the gun of SP City's gunner. So they have been encountered and they have been arrested by Bareilly police in CV Ganj area. So now continuously Bareilly police is trying to identify the accused. They are trying to arrest them, and the interrogation is going on, so to reach the maximum number of action. And yesterday we saw bulldozers in Bareilly when a bulldozer ran through illegal property of close aid of Maulana Tauqeer Raza. So one by one actions have been taken, and now the actions are still continued.
Ranveer Singh, thanks for joining us live from Bareilly on that big story.